What's up guys, welcome to my new video, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing how each and every one of you can get 50,000 followers on your TikTok in under 5 minutes of your time. And all you have to do is to watch the video from start to finish, and it is as simple as that. Just watch the video from start to finish and you will get 50,000 free TikTok followers like I did today. So let's not waste any more time, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is go to this site, guys. So that's talktricks.com. That's talktricks.com. Type it in exactly as you see on your screen, and I will have a link somewhere in the description or the comments. So once you get to the site, all you have to do is to scroll all the way down. Of course, these are the information for this hack, so you can read that on your own time. I will not waste your time in this video. Let's just get to the point and just scroll all the way down until you see the get free TikTok followers. And now it will take us to this page. So from here, all you have to do is to tap on Install Injection. Now tap on this once more. Make sure that you do actually have TikTok installed on your phone and you are logged into your account. Now select the iOS option, or Android of course if you're on Android, but we are on iOS today, and tap Continue. And it is as simple as that. It will now search if you have TikTok on your phone, and it will give you the 50,000 free followers you requested for free. So let's see what we have to do next in order to get our free followers. Okay guys, so now just scroll a little bit down and tap on this verify now, and let me explain what you have to do next. So in order to get your 50,000 free followers on your TikTok, you do actually need to verify that you are not some kind of bot who's trying to take down the site, or who is trying to get a lot of accounts with thousands of followers on them and resell them for real money. So just to prove that you're not some kind of bot, all you have to do is to install 2 apps and follow the instructions for those 2 apps. So let me explain. You have a list of apps right here. As you can see, you have many apps. I think 20 or 30 are here. All you have to do is to pick and choose 2 apps you like the most. Read what it says in this light gray text right here. That is the instructions for that app. Tap on it and it will open the official app store on your phone. Download the app from it. Do this for 2 different apps and you will get your free TikTok followers. So go ahead and do that right now, and I'll be back with you in a few moments. So that is it guys, I followed the instructions for both apps, and that is enough for me to pass the verification and to get my free TikTok followers. So right now I'll go ahead and restart my device, and then once I restart my phone, I'll be back with you on my TikTok to see if this actually worked and if we get our free 50,000 followers. So I'll be back with you in a few moments. So guys, we're back on my TikTok, so let's see if this worked. And right there guys, as you can see, I got my free 50,000 followers on my TikTok, and if that doesn't zero like, I don't know what does guys. So what are you waiting for? Go to talktricks.com, that's talktricks.com. Go and get your free 50,000 followers while you still can. If you're having any issues, let me know down in the comments and I'll help each and every one of you. Leave a like and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye guys.